Thinking of signing up for Bluehost? In this Bluehost tutorial video, I'll walk you through exactly how Bluehost pricing works so you can confidently choose the best Bluehost plan for your needs. From intro deals to renewal rates, we'll cover everything you need to know. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how much Bluehost really costs with no surprises. I provide a link in the description below to Bluehost where you'll get an exclusive Bluehost discount, getting up to 80% off web hosting plus a free domain name. A little disclosure, the link is an affiliate link. You may not receive a commission from Bluehost at no extra cost to you. Plus, you get an awesome Bluehost hosting discount. Let's dive in. Bluehost offers some of the most affordable intro pricing out there. You'll see plans starting at just $1.99 per month for shared hosting. That rate applies when you choose a 36-month plan, which brings your total to $71.64 upfront for 3 years full of hosting. After that, the plan renews at the regular rate, which is currently $9.99 per month. So while the initial deal gives you big savings, it's good to be aware of the renewal pricing down the road. It's a common structure with many hosting providers, and planning ahead helps you get the most value for your website. Bluehost offers a few different shared hosting plans: Starter, E-commerce Essentials, WordPress Cloud, and a custom plan if you aren't seeing the perfect fit. Let's quickly break down what you're actually paying for with each one. The Starter plan runs as low as $1.99 a month. The plan comes with 10 websites, 10 gigabytes NVMe storage, ideal for 40,000 website visits per month, a free domain for the first year, a free SSL, and 24/7 support. The E-commerce Essential plan runs as low as $6.99 a month. The plan comes with 100 websites, 100 gigabytes NVMe storage, ideal for up to 400,000 monthly visitors, built-in secure payment processing, WooCommerce auto install, support for subscriptions, memberships and paid courses, launch an affiliate program, create custom email templates, and offer easy social logins for your customers. The WordPress Cloud plan runs as low as $16.99 a month. The plan comes with 100% uptime SLA, fast, optimized page load speeds, automated managed WordPress with core updates and security, automated daily backups, built-in malware detection and removal, auto plugin and theme updates, Yoast SEO Premium included, easy website creation and management, scalable resource management, and access to prioritized senior technical support via chat and phone. Now that you've seen the features and pricing across each plan, let's break down what that really looks like at checkout, depending on the term you choose. The Starter plan costs $1.99 a month on the 36-month term, which is $71.64 total upfront. The 12-month plan costs $2.99 a month, which is $35.88 total upfront. The monthly term costs $15.99 a month, which will end up costing you $191.88 over the course of a year. You won't receive a free domain name with a monthly term, so the domain will cost $12.99 for the first year. The e-commerce plan costs $6.99 a month on the 12-month and 36-month terms. The total cost upfront on the 36-month term is $251.64. The total upfront cost of the 12-month term is $83.88. The monthly term costs $24.99 a month, which will end up costing you $299.88 over the course of a year. You won't receive a free domain name with a monthly term, so the domain will cost $12.99 for the first year. All Bluehost plans include a free domain name for the first year, which is a great bonus when you're just getting started. After that, renewal pricing depends on the domain extension you choose. For example, a .com typically renews at around $19.99 per year. If you want to keep your personal information private, domain privacy is also available, costing just $11.88 for the first year. The renewal costs $15 per year unless it's already included in your hosting plan. Bluehost also offers a variety of helpful add-ons during checkout, things like professional email, e-commerce tools, security, business tools, SSL, and SEO tools that you can choose based on your needs. Professional email trial comes free for the first month. It then renews at $2.99 a month. Yoast SEO Premium costs $2.99 a month. The regular pricing is $8.99 a month. E-commerce Essentials add-on costs $3.99 a month, which is billed annually. Premium SSL certificate costs $3.33 a month, which is billed annually. SiteLock Security costs $2.99 a month, which is billed annually. Google Workspace costs $3.50 a month, which is billed annually. Some of these are useful, but others you might not need, especially when you can use free WordPress plugins to handle security and SEO. So is Bluehost worth the price? Honestly, yes, it's still one of the easiest hosting platforms to use. The dashboard is clean, WordPress installs in one click, and their support is responsive, and they're there when you need it. But make sure you understand the real long-term cost. If you're just testing the waters, you might want to start with the starter plan and skip the extras. If this breakdown helped you out, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more honest website tutorials and reviews. I've provided my Bluehost discount link in the description below. If you use it, you'll support the channel at no extra cost to you. Thanks for watching and good luck with your website.